What's up, guys? So today we're going to try something a little different. I did one of these last year. It did pretty good, so we'll figure, let's try it again. So we're going to do a try not to laugh challenge, which is, it's a little difficult for me because I pretty much laugh at everything. I'm laughing right now for absolutely no reason at all. So I laugh at things that's probably not even necessary to laugh at. So what we're going to try today is called poop fails, and I'm sorry, anything with poop and farts, I know some people think it's gross, whatever, I can't help it. It cracks me up. So this is Poop Fails and Fart Compilation. It's a short video. I've only watched the very first clip. That's the only one I watched, and I think I've even seen that one before, and even still, like I lost it. So, all right, here we go.
Look how creepy. Oh my gosh, they're reclining.
The kid's face. Oop. It's the sound effects. It's the freaking sound effects. I can't help. Alright. Here we go. We're starting fresh.
Reagan, did you see that?
Yeah, you saw it. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. Animals. Oh,
what you do?
Why is it always got to be animals? Oh, jeez. Oh, I already lost, so we're just going to finish this off. This is about to be bad. Is that real? Is that real? I don't know if that was real. I'm a critic when it comes to some of this stuff.
Pull both knees in and pull your forehead in. Grab hold to your shins and give yourself a rock up. Okay, let's...
Oh, shoot. It never gets old.
Nu är det slut för den här veckan, men ni ser oss på måndag igen. Hej då! Men, oj, gud, vad jag ätit. Jesus.
Наконец-то! Так может тебе лучше блевануть?
Heck is this?
Нет, не могу.
Держи. Так, на всякий случай.
Нет, я из тех, кто не может блевать.
Ясно.
Уж лучше бы могла, иногда это помогает.
What is this? What was that?
Ой. А ты знаешь, мне уже гораздо легче. Чихнула и сразу полегчало.
Alright, so I wish it was a little longer. I think you gotta take these in small doses. If you guys like these type of videos and want me to do more, let me know in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. If not, let me know in the comments. I was gonna do one of reacting to people eating the Tide Pods. But you know, I figure I'm not gonna give any of these idiots any more publicity. Not that I've gave them any, but they've gotten enough for the stupid stuff. And I don't want to promote that crap, man. Kids getting killed for doing this stupid stuff, so let's eat some hot sauce or something. So if there's any videos out there that you would like to see me react to, or like a try not to laugh to, or whatever, throw that in the comments too. I'm pretty open-minded, so throw it down there. We'll see what happens. Have a good one.